It is their big moment as Bill Ruggiero and Dustin Smith get ready to face off against some of the world's best as practice goalies for a day for the Florida Panthers. You can tell these guys are ready.
I guess dream come true, just being able to step on the ice with these guys.
Yeah, that was a cool feeling walking out there. All the guys were out there practicing.
For Ruggiero, there's a familiar face here to share it all. His sister Angela, who's also familiar to the world as a four-time Olympic medalist on the U.S. hockey team and as a reality TV star. But today, she's just her brother's biggest fan, as he has been for her since they were kids.
Oh, we were like best friends. We spent hours and hours in the car together. Obviously, Bill was a goalie, I was a defenseman, and just really bonded, I think, growing up.
Our family, we've been in a lot of pressure situations watching her play, and we've always supported each other, our whole family, just anytime something in sports or our lives come up.
Angela says watching this practice is far more nerve-wracking than any Olympics she ever played in.
When you actually play, I feel like you're never that nervous because it's your job. You have to try to suppress those kinds of emotions. Hands down, when I watch my brother play, though, I always get nervous.
As for Big Brother's performance,
Bill's doing well. I think it's, he's out here to have fun, just skate with the guys and get that NHL experience.
Puck felt great. Guys were cool. The coaches were welcoming as well, and the drills were fun, no doubt.
no sibling rivalry here. It's all about sibling support. With the Panthers, I'm Clay Ferrero, Local 10 News.